Want to learn how to trade Forex but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. In this 2025 Beginner's Guide, we'll show you exactly what Forex is, how it works, and how you can start trading step by step with no experience. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the largest and most liquid market in the world. Over $7.5 trillion is traded daily. But what are they trading? Currencies. Forex is traded in pairs. When you buy Euro USD, you're betting the euro will rise against the dollar. When you sell, you're betting it will fall. Why is 2025 the best time to start? Markets are more accessible, spreads are lower, and with GTCFX, you get access to 27,000 plus instruments and deep liquidity trusted by institutions. Getting started is simple. All you need is a demo account to practice. Then, when you're ready, open a live account. GTCFX offers both. This is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll show you how to use MT4, MT5, and GTCFX's platform to place your first trade.